Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you a recipe I have for these cleaning sizzles. They're kind of like bath bombs except they are used for cleaning mostly your toilet. Simple recipe, let's get right into the video. For this recipe you will need some citric acid and baking soda. Baking soda and citric acid will cause a chemical reaction that will give that lovely fizzle. Pop all the ingredients into a bowl. Give a little stir and then add some essential oils. There's great ones for cleaning. This is rosemary. I like to use lemon oil, tea tree oil. When they're all in, make sure they're mixed in thoroughly. These will also help to clean, but they will give a wonderful aroma. You're going to add about 1 squirt of water. Give a little stir and then add some into silicone containers and squish all the powder into them. Then you're going to leave them to dry for a couple of hours. I just leave them overnight. And the following day, they should nicely pop out of the silicone case. If you don't have a case like this, just use anything you can find in your house that's a particular shape that you can stuff the powder into. And they pop out like these little cubes. You can place in a jar, make sure it's airtight, you don't want any moisture getting inside, and then pop one of the fizzles into the toilet and just see it fizzle up, and you can leave it there. I just leave it there while I'm kind of cleaning the rest of the bathroom or I'm doing other things, and then come back and flush the toilet. It's really simple. And it's a great way to clean your toilet without having to be getting your head stuck in there and cleaning her out. So that's it for this week. It's this really simple recipe. I'd love to know how you get on down in the comments if you make it, or if it's something that you use or you much prefer to just get in there and scrub. I love this method. It also gives a wonderful aroma in the bathroom with the lovely essential oils. Chat over on Instagram and thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Bye.